Hi everyone, in today's video I will quickly be telling you how to score 100 out of 100 in your ICSE class 10th English Literature board exam that is tomorrow for the ICSE 2024 batch. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is to use keywords. I will share 5 to 6 PDFs with you even in this video and also on my Telegram group, which you have to go through first. Before starting anything else, just open those PDFs and read through the answers. Those answers are given directly by the board, so every single keyword is mentioned, so you need to know what to write in your answers. As soon as you reach home, take a little break, drink water, do not discuss about your English language paper. Forget about it. Whatever is done is done. We don't talk about that anymore. Start with literature, and first thing that you are supposed to do is open my Telegram group or just see from this video. Open the keywords PDF, which is the marking scheme of the board, and read through all the answers. If you can, write down a few answers from there, not all. All the answers are given, so you do not have to solve anything right now. Just read. Keep reading. That is also covering the 10-year papers, so you will be 100% prepared for your exam tomorrow, and it will really help. The second thing that will help you tomorrow is to have a really good takeoff. For that, as soon as you get your paper and your reading time starts, mark which questions you want to do. Just see every single part and see where you can score the most number of marks. Try to avoid doing extra questions. Do all the selections in the reading time itself, so you don't waste your writing time, and you have to be very quick and neat with your work. The third thing that you need to keep in mind is to quote as much as possible from your textbook itself, from the actual chapter that you have done. Try to write something very similar to that. Learn a few important lines here and there. The more you quote, the better you're gonna do. Take a piece of paper and your textbook and write down a few important lines which you think can come in the exam, or whatever you find important, okay? Because you have studied the entire year and you know what you feel is important and what can come. Even your teachers might have made you mark which parts of the chapter are important. After that, I would tell you to go through the summary and question answers from any book that you prefer. Read out answers. The more answers you read today, it will be good for you because you'll know how to answer any question that comes. The fourth thing that you need to do is to know the author of every single chapter, every single prose, poetry, every single thing, all the authors. Just know the name. So whichever answer you're writing, you have your first line ready. In this poem, this writer tries to explain this. Like that, you can make up things and write, and after that you are free to do whatever you like. You like to read your notes, classwork questions, or any reference book, anything. Just do as many questions as you can, and if you have the time, you can just write down a few answers here and there. Prepare really well, use your resources wisely, don't waste time here and there, and relax. Breathe, meditate for some time, relax, sleep really well tonight, drink enough water, stay hydrated. You'll be good to go for tomorrow's exam. All the best. Gap day strategy is coming tomorrow, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video for more content, and I'll see you next time. Bye. This video is sponsored by Idli Chutney. दिख ही नहीं रहा है, हे भगवान.